Hello all, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be on files in Python. How do we handle file in Python? Okay, so why do we need a file? The first basic question is why a file? Why do we need to why file? Okay, now suppose if I write a is equal to 10. This is a variable that holds the data 10. Okay, now this is temporarily holding the data. What if suppose I want to permanently store the data? Then I go for the concept of files. For permanent storage, I go to the concept of files. So coming back to the files concept, now see here, I have created a file called sam.txt. .txt is the extension to represent it as a text file. Okay, I have added three lines here. The content is my name is Rohini Aravindan, assistant professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and today's topic is going to be on files in Python. So this particular text file has 3 lines, right? Now, how do I open the file? I want to read the data or from the file sam.txt and then print it using Python program. So how do I open a file? Using the function open. Okay, and I need to specify to file open. I need to specify 2 parameters. One is the file name. What is the file name? Sam with the extension sam.txt, and in which mode, within double quotes. Which mode do I need to open? Since I'm going to read the content data from the file, I need to write R mode. So this is the file mode. One of the file mode is R mode, which specify it is a read mode. So open has 2 parameters. One is the file name. First one is the file name. Second one is the type of the mode that I'm going to open. Fine. So now where do I store this? Suppose I write f. F is equal to open sam.txt in read mode. Now what is this f? After opening the file sam.txt, f is a file pointer that points to the first character of the first line. Within my file it points here, right? So f is pointing here. Now I need to print the content. So using print function, print. If I just only give f a file name, file pointer, okay, then let me run the code. See what's happening. So I get text IO wrapper, name, file name, and mode R. So it's only giving the file details. I want to print the data within the file. That these 3 lines should be printed. So what should I do? I write f dot read method, opening and closing bracket. This is the syntax. F dot read method. This is the syntax in order to print the content within the file. So let us run the code. See, the entire lines are getting displayed. Fine. So it is displaying all the 3 lines. Suppose I want to read line by line. So what is the syntax for that? It is f dot read line. Okay. Now let us run the code f dot read line. So it's printing the first line. What if suppose I want to print the second line? Then copy paste the same code. Then run the code. Now it's printing 2 lines from my file sam.txt, from the file sam.txt. 2 lines are printed, but see the difference here. There is a space in between these 2 lines, but actual text doesn't have a space. It's only a new line. Immediately after one sentence, the next sentence is getting printed. Why this is happening? Because print will always create a new line before printing. After printing, okay, after printing one line, it creates another new line, and since there's another new line in the actual text, there are these many spaces, right? Okay, how do we eliminate this? Just add one more parameter, f dot read line. Okay, end is equal to within double quotes. So end is equal to within double quotes. Suppose I type to add symbol here. Add symbol here. This is just an indication to tell that it is end of that line. Okay, now let me run. See here, my name is Rohini Aravindan at assistant professor, which means a new line has been deleted and the next line has started. So at symbol is being displayed. If I delete this and run, now what's happening? New line has been deleted. Okay, so end is equal to within double quotes. If we don't specify anything, new line will be deleted. Okay, fine. Now let me delete this particular line. If I type 2 within read line, f dot read line of 2, check what is happening. Let us run the code. Okay, see the text here. My name is Rohini Aravindan is the first line. Okay, So it is printing the first two characters of the first line. So read f dot read line of 2 specifies to read only the first two lines from where exactly the pointer is pointing. Pointer initially was pointing here to the first character. So M and Y it reads and it prints as the output. So it prints the number of characters from the first line. If I type 4, which means the first 4 characters should be printed. Let us run. My space N, My 2 character space third character and N is the fourth character. So this is how you read the content of the file and print it onto the terminal. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.